workers remain trapped in a collapsed SLBC tunnel in Nagar Kurnool in Telangana as rescue operations intensify. Minister Jubilee Krishna Rao is overseeing efforts with teams from NDRF, the Army, Singareni and other agencies working tirelessly. Over 160 personnel are involved in the operation and teams have entered the tunnel to assess the situation with about 100 meters of mud blocking the tunnel boring machine. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren spoke with Telangana's Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, offering full support. Jharkhand Minister Irfan Ansari is monitoring the situation closely and may visit the site if needed. The operation is urgent as the tunnel fills with water, putting the trapped workers' lives at risk.
Yesterday night, the NDRF and Army personnel could reach up to about 13.5 kilometers inside the tunnel from the regular inlet. But they could not approach the actual flooded area because it's about 10-12 feet of slush. They're not able to break through that and go in. Then we've also called in experts for drilling from the top or the side. So simultaneously, we are bringing in big pumps to, de-water and desilt. And I've just spoken to the Army Naval Admiral at Vizag, if they have any specialized personnel, or I spoke to the Army Commander if he could send one para commando or something to go through the slush. We are working on all options, but we are doing our best. Our state government is doing everything we can to save the 8 lives.
Prime Minister also spoken, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has also spoken with the government,
They have spoken to the Chief Minister. Chief Minister is in hourly touch with me. We are, totally focused, the entire state government with all the agencies, the Army, the NDRF, everybody, in trying to rescue those 8 survivors.
Thank you so much.
See, rescue operations are on the way. We are making every effort. We have involved disaster management teams, national disaster management teams, and also the defense teams, and also from the agency company side, and also all our engineers, and our Mantri bhi hai, Irrigation Minister Tukumar Reddy, मैं भी हूँ, और local MLA भी है. Already हमारा Chief Minister साहब जो है, already has given instructions and making all out efforts to rescue the 8 people who are trapped inside.
4 मजदूर फंसे हुए हैं, जानकारी मुझे है. मैं लगातार संपर्क में हूँ और इस संबंध में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कड़ा स्टेप लिया है. वो सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री से बात भी की है और पूरी मैनेजमेंट वहाँ लगी हुई है. वहाँ की सरकार काम कर रही है, रेस्क्यू टीम लगी हुई है और अगर ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो मुझे जाना पड़ेगा तो मैं जाऊँगा, अपने मजदूरों को लाऊँगा वहाँ से. लगातार वार्ता चल रही है और जब तक पूरा रेस्क्यू टीम किसी अंजाम तक नहीं पहुँच जाए तब तक कुछ कहना जल्दीबाजी होगा. हमारे एक मिनट का हम लोग अपडेट ले रहे हैं और जब जो विस्तृत जानकारी मिलेगी तो मैं आपको अपडेट करूँगा.